Welcome back, guys. We're trustedshoppingguide.com and today we're in the kitchen. In this video, we'll be showcasing the Ninja BN601 Professional Plus food processor. If you're all about saving time in the kitchen while still creating fantastic dishes, you're in for a treat. This kitchen gadget is here to make your food prep a breeze. From chopping veggies to kneading dough, we'll be slicing, dicing, and exploring all the features that set this kitchen wizard apart. So join us as we unravel why the Ninja BN601 Professional Plus food processor is a game changer for your culinary adventures. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at trustedshoppingguide.com for more of our research in the kitchen, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. Let's kick things off by diving into the impressive performance of the Ninja BN601. At its core, it boasts a robust 1000 peak watt motor that's nothing short of impressive. This powerhouse doesn't just handle the usual suspects, it effortlessly tackles even the toughest ingredients, making it the ultimate sous chef in your kitchen. Whether you're embarking on a culinary adventure, preparing a simple family meal, or experimenting with gourmet recipes, this food processor is your trusty sidekick. It's the kitchen companion that empowers you to explore your inner chef, knowing that it can handle the most demanding tasks with ease. With the Ninja BN601 by your side, there's no need to hold back or worry about culinary limitations. It's the culinary power you need to unleash your creativity, experiment with new recipes, and embark on a culinary journey that's not just efficient, but also incredibly enjoyable. This kitchen dynamo is your gateway to culinary excellence, providing you with the means to explore, create, and savor every culinary masterpiece you craft. Of course, it's worth talking about the capacity of this food processor. At its heart is a generous 9-cup processing bowl, a testament to its dedication to making your cooking experience efficient and enjoyable. This ample space is your canvas for culinary creativity, ready to cater to both small batch tasks and large-scale culinary adventures. When it's just a handful of garlic cloves that need mincing, you'll find the Ninja BN601 more than up to the task. It effortlessly handles these smaller jobs, ensuring that you don't have to resort to complex, time-consuming processes for minor tasks. However, where this food processor truly shines is when you're cooking for a crowd or hosting a family gathering. Whether it's slicing mountains or vegetables, shredding generous amounts of cheese, or preparing ingredients for a feast, the Ninja BN601 steps up to the plate. Its spacious 9-cup bowl ensures that you have the room you need, eliminating the need for multiple processing rounds. This is particularly valuable when time is of the essence, and you'd rather be enjoying moments with your loved ones than laboring in the kitchen. Now let's get hands-on with the assembly and functionality of this kitchen powerhouse. It tackles tasks that might make other appliances break a sweat, and it does it with style. From handling nuts to tackling those tough, dense vegetables, it's your reliable kitchen companion through and through. With the Ninja BN601 in your corner, you're not just cooking, you're on a full-blown culinary adventure. It's your ticket to explore new recipes, experiment with creative dishes, and elevate your cooking skills to new heights. With this mighty motor, you have the power to finely chop, precisely slice, and effortlessly mix, turning your kitchen into a culinary haven. Shifting gears, we move on to versatility. Now, what takes the Ninja BN601 Professional Plus food processor to a whole new level of convenience and versatility are its 4 incredible functions, all guided by the intelligent Auto IQ preset programs. You see, this isn't just your run-of-the-mill food processor, it's a culinary wizard that simplifies food prep in ways you've never experienced before. Imagine having the power to tackle a range of tasks with just a touch of a button. The Ninja BN601 offers you precisely that. It comes equipped with 3 speeds, low, high, and pulse, to make your food prep an absolute breeze. Whether you're in the mood for chopping mounds of veggies, shredding mounds of cheese, creating silky smoothie sauces, or diving into the art of crafting pizza or cookie dough from scratch, this food processor has you covered. What truly sets this appliance apart from the competition, however, is its ability to turn complex, time-consuming tasks into simple, one-touch operations. The Auto IQ intelligent preset programs take the guesswork out of your culinary adventures. They're your kitchen genie, ready to grant your culinary wishes. No more manual labor, no more tedious processes. Finally, let's take a look at its ease of cleaning. First and foremost, the Ninja BN601 is designed with your safety in mind. All its parts are made from BPA-free materials, providing you with peace of mind about the food you prepare. Not only are they safe, but they're also incredibly easy to clean. For a thorough clean, you can simply toss the parts in the dishwasher. This hassle-free process ensures that your food processor is sanitized and ready for your next culinary venture. It's a time saver, allowing you to enjoy your meal and the moments that follow without worrying about a sink full of dishes. However, if you're looking for a quick clean to get back to your busy day, the Ninja BN601 has you covered there too. Just pulse some warm water with a drop or two of dish soap. This clever trick swiftly cleans the bowl and plates, saving you time and effort. In closing, the Ninja BN601 Professional Plus Food Processor isn't just a kitchen appliance, it's a culinary game changer. With a formidable 1000 peak watt motor, it effortlessly conquers even the toughest ingredients, making it your ultimate kitchen companion. Whether you're chopping veggies, shredding cheese, creating silky sauces, or crafting pizza or cookie dough from scratch, it simplifies food prep like never before. And there you have it, folks. Everything you need to know about the Ninja BN601 Professional Plus Food Processor. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that it can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.